calculate the mean and the standard deviation of a discrete random variable. This is Dr. Speranza, and welcome to my Math in a Minute. In performing statistical calculations like this, it's extremely important that you're understanding the table that you are given and the formula that you're going to be using in calculating for the mean and the standard deviation of these type of variable. We have the x column and we have the p of x column, and all we need to do is to first check if this is a legitimate random variable. Just add up all your p of x, and if it's equal to 1, then it's a legitimate probability distribution. To calculate for the mean, the formula is going to be the summation of x times p of x. We're going to create our column for x times p of x and then add them all up. And our mean is going to be 0.376. The formula for the standard deviation is square root of the summation of x squared times p of x minus mu squared. And by finding the sum of x squared times p of x, we'll have 0.514. Now incorporating it to the formula for the standard deviation equal to 0.615 or 0.6. So the mean and the standard deviation of our random variable will be 0.376 and 0.60 respectively. This is Dr. Speranza, and this is my Math in a Minute. Bye!